Hello and welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ioana. I am an interpreter and a polyglot, and in today's video we are creating another set of Italian with tails, and we're gonna continue our tail with the tail Bella e la Bestia. We're gonna have a tail portion in Italian, tail portion in English, and then we're gonna study the new vocabulary. Salve, buongiorno, benvenuti nel mio canale di YouTube. Il mio nome è Ioana e sono qui perché stiamo continuando a creare questa set di video italiano-inglese con le favole. Io mi chiamo Ioana, sono un interprete, un poliglota e adoro le favole. Non c'è un modo migliore per imparare, secondo me, perché è un modo di rilassamento, di fantasie, di sogni, bellissimo. Allora continuiamo con questa favola, La Bella e la Bestia, che sarebbe contenuta una porzione della favola in italiano, una porzione in inglese e poi studiamo le nuove parole. Iniziamo la prima porzione in italiano. Nemmeno le attenzioni del bel Gaston, di cui tutte le ragazze del paese erano perdutamente innamorate. Belle sarà la ragazza che sposerò, si era giurato quella mattina, vedendola attraversare la piazza del paese. È l'unica degna della mia bellezza. Proprio in quel momento si udì una forte esplosione. Proveniva dal villino di Bele. Papà! Gridò la ragazza, sobbalzando spaventata, e prese a correre verso casa. Now we're gonna read this tale in English. Not even the attention of the handsome Gaston, of which all the girls of the village were hopelessly in love. Beauty will be the girl that I marry, swore it to himself that morning, watching her crossing the town square. She is the only one worthy of my beauty. Properly in this moment, a loud explosion was heard. It was coming from the cottage of Beauty. Father, Papa, shouted the girl, rising up, scared, and starting to run towards home. Rising up scared and starting to run towards home. Now we're gonna read little by little the portion in Italian and then a piece in English. Nemmeno le attenzioni del bel Gaston, not even the attention of the handsome Gaston, di cui tutte le ragazze del paese, of which all the girls of the village erano perdutamente innamorate, were hopelessly in love. Belle sarà la ragazza che sposerò. Beauty will be the girl that I marry. Si era giurato quella mattina, vedendola attraversare la piazza del paese. Swore it to himself that morning, watching her crossing the town square. È unica degna della mia bellezza. She is the only one worthy of my beauty. Proprio in quel momento si udì una forte esplosione. Properly or exactly at this moment, a loud explosion was heard. Si udì, udire, it means to listen, but when it's pronounced così, like si udì, it's like come from the surrounds. You cannot udire, I don't know, your phone. No, you can udire. It's just specific word that when something is loud and coming from the outside. Otherwise, you say ascoltare or sentire. Udì is when everybody could hear it, you know? Proveniva dal villino di Bele. It was coming from the cottage of beauty. Papà, father, gridò la ragazza. Shouted the girl, sobbalzando spaventata, rising up or getting up, scared. And prese is taking, but in this case, I translated starting to run towards home is because prese, it means literally to catch something, but also in this case mean to start an action. A correre verso casa is to run toward home. And now let's study the new words, guys. Nemmeno, neither, le attenzioni, the attentions, tutte, all. Tutte is feminine, it's for girls. Tutte le ragazze, tutte le donne. Tutti is for men, tutti gli uomini. Le ragazze, the girls. Del paese, of the village. Del paese, of the village. Erano, were, they were, erano, were. Perdutamente, hopelessly, desperately, head over heels. Perdere literally mean to lose. Perdutamente is like hopelessly. Perdutamente, desperately, hopelessly. Innamorate, in love. Innamorate, in love. Sarà, will be. Sarà, will be. Che sposerò. I will marry, that I will marry. Che sposerò, it's future, that I will marry. Si era giurato, that was sworn, that si era giurato is when somebody swore to themselves. He, in the past, swore to himself. Si era giurato, it was sworn in the past tense. Quella, that, mattina, morning. Quella mattina, that morning. Vedendola. Vedere, it's mean to see. Vedendola is like when he saw her or seeing her in the past tense. Attraversare, cross. Attraversare, to cross. La piazza. La piazza is the square. La piazza, the square. Okay, let's see. Perché non si muove? Ah. Del paese, of the village. Unica. Unica can also mean unique or the only one. Unica persona, the only person. Lei è una persona unica. It's a unique person, you see? It's how we play with the words. Degna, worthy, degna, worthy. You see how we don't pronounce the G? Degna, worthy. Della mia, of my, bellezza. Bellezza is beauty. Bellezza, beauty. Proprio, own, or exactly, proprio, or in this moment. Questo è il mio proprio qualcosa. Sì, questo è proprio il mio posto. This is exactly my place. Or it means to own something, exactly. In quel momento, in this moment, in quel momento, si udì. It was heard. Udire, it's to hear something. Una forte, one strong. Una forte. Esplosione, explosion. Una forte esplosione, explosion. Proveniva. It origins. Proveniva. Provenienza, it means also origin, but it also could mean coming from somewhere. Proveniva da, it was coming from X. Villino. Villino is a cottage or like a village house or something like that. Papa, you know, papa, it means dad or father. Grido, shouted. Sob alzando. Stop is mean semi or halfway. Alzando it's mean to get up. So sobalzando could mean jumping, rising up, hopping up. Oh, I'm sobalzando is like this action of semi getting up, basically. Spaventata, scared. Spaventata, scared. E prese, and he took or she took or took it. E prese a correre and started to run. Correre, it's running. Verso casa, it's homeward or towards home. And now we're looking the special words here. Perdutamente. Perdutamente innamorato. Hopelessly in love. Desperately in love. Head over heels in love. Perdere, it's to lose. And perdutamente is to get lost in love. Perdutamente innamorato is like, lui ha perso la testa. He lose his head because he's so in love, no? Perdere la testa, it's like being so in love that you are losing your mind. Sobalzando, starting to walk, rising up, jumping up, rising up, hopping up. Alzare, it means to stand up, standing, or standing up. And the sources of these classes are Bella e la Bestia, libro italiano di Walt Disney. Ho letto un po' sull'origine, traduzione è stata da me, Ioana Todorova, creatore degli slide io, e questo video è stato ispirato dalla mia mammina italiana. Ciao mamma, Cinzia. So, and this is the sources, Bella and the Beast, Walt Disney book. Sources also, I searched the origins of this tale in Wikipedia. Ioana translated and created those website, and video recording is me again, inspired by my mom, Cinzia. E grazie mille ragazzi che siete stati qui. Thank you so much, you guys. If you enjoy this class, have in mind, you can press share, like, subscribe, write me your comment below. I'm so grateful you're here. Grazie ragazzi, se vi è piaciuto questo video, per favore premete mi piace, condividete o scrivete i vostri commenti in basso. Grazie mille, arrivederci, buona giornata. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.